In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete a watch list in TradingView so you can clean up your dashboard and stay organized. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open TradingView and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look to the right side where your watch list panel is located. If you don't see it, expand it using the small arrow or sidebar icon. Now, click on the name of your current watch list at the top of that panel. A drop-down menu will appear showing all your saved watch lists. Select the watch list you want to delete. Next, look for the three dots or menu icon near the watch list name. Click on it to open more options. From the menu, choose Delete Watch List. TradingView will ask you to confirm the action. Click Confirm and your watch list will be permanently removed. If you only want to remove individual symbols instead, just hover over a symbol and click the trash icon next to it. Take a moment to double check before deleting, because once it's gone, you'll need to recreate it manually. That's it. You've successfully deleted a watch list in TradingView. Subscribe for more TradingView tips and tutorials.